Hangzhou Entop Houseware Limited Company, established in 2010 for Entop Group Factory Sales Company. Our company's headquarters is located in Hangzhou, Zhejiang. We have our invested and cooperative factories for three main products: bathroom cabinets, mirrors and shower doors. Our factories are established in 2003 and 2008 respectively. All our factories are with ISO 9001 system approved. And we have total more than 200 employees. Our vision is to create and supply high-quality innovation products. From 2005, our company participated in the Canton Fair for the first time. And since then, we have continuously participated in various large-scale professional sanitary ware and building materials exhibitions both in China and abroad. Due to our company's excellent quality, innovative design, and perfect after-sales service, Entop has gradually accumulated a good reputation. Now our products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions in Europe, North America, South America, the Middle East and etc. In 2010, we began to establish our own brand Entop. While OEM exporting, we also focused on the development of the company's own brand. Set up overseas warehouses in the United States and Europe, continuously optimize the stickiness with customers. And our sales turnover continued to reach a new height. Entop always concerned about what our customers growing and provide for what they need not only on the product itself, but also on the future designs and trends. While innovating products, we also combine customer demands with their orientation. We are committed to providing innovative high-quality products, high-quality integrated pre-sales and after-sales services to realize our mission. Entop, your first sanitary ware solution manufacturer. Let Entop refine your exquisite life.